duck. What a beautiful machine. And I'll tell you what, he got right down there past Bedford for you in just a moment. Checking for our fish, see if he's going to take that hook or not. The distance for the rubber duck, 320 feet, 0.7. Got the blue lights lit, folks. Gene Bender and the arm bender. Gene Dunn and the arm bender too. What a pass laid down by Gene Dunn in the arm bender. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I've got the privilege right now of the winner of the SCS Gearbox Pro Bell Racing. Which the most fun to sit on and drive? Between the old air-action truck or the new modified tractor? Well, that's how it is. I gotta agree with that. You talk about man who loves sport. I'm sure you got some good. He was your Rookie of the Year back in 2015. He'd like to have a special thanks to his dad for allowing him to do this and for helping keep the truck running. Thanks to his mom, grandma, his fiance Brittany, and all their support. We'd like to thank defending champion truck out, the Lady Butterfly, and come out and see if he can put himself in that top spot. Very strong running truck. Spencer running in the Hillbilly Deluxe. What do you say, folks? Look at the back of the cab. Big time. Spencer, you can hear me. Let the fans know how much you enjoy their appreciation. Nice little box on the back of it there. A nice place to spend the evening and stuff. So it's good to see Gene doing well. There it is, folks. The Twisted Kitty. Some people wonder what those boxes are for on the back of these Hillbilly Deluxe. Here we go, Mr. Gene Dunn. Knocking on the door. What do you think, man? Did he take that? He had to go 337.07. He just slid in at 300. Man, geez, something's got an open face on it when he comes by. Let him know how impressive that run was. What do you think of that? Armbender 1, number 5. Gene Dunn set number 4 with the Armbender 2. Mitch Klopp set number 3 with the Rubber Duck. Spencer Rook in the Hillbilly Deluxe set number 2 with 337. And your leader right now, super modified four-wheel drive truck sitting back there, just waiting for their chance. Did not disappoint. Talk about putting him down the track. What a pass laid down by Gene Dunn. I believe he's going to come up. Fans, when he comes by,